Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to make a broken TV effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have a photo right here, but of course you can use a video too. What you want to do is go over to the Fusion page, then go to Effects and search for TV. Just double click it, then select the TV, go over to the right under Inspector and increase the scan line and decrease the scan lines all the way to 0. Now you have a bit of noise. Now you go over to noise, and with the cursor here, the red cursor, go all the way to your start. Then click this little diamond button next to random. Then move the time head all the way to the end of your clip and increase random to 2. If we let it play now, it already looks like this with this moving noise. But what you can do is go over to roll bar, and here you can adjust the bar strength. You can see it in the bottom of your video, for example like this. Then playhead to the beginning of your clip, click next to bar offset, then move the playhead all the way to the end of your clip. And then increase the bar offset, for example, to, you can just play around with it, let's say 40. And now, if we watch the end result, this is how our broken TV looks. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to make a broken TV effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.